Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can automate your connectivity to SAP server. SAP GUI scripting can be used within the VBA, and that helps you connect your SAP server. It helps you record all your credentials in your file, and then all you need to do is just click on the logon, and it will start connecting. Let's start with the error. Should be able uh, to identify that what the error messages are meaning. So, what is the meaning of a certain error message, like host not found or something like this? If the server which you are connecting it is unavailable, so you cannot do anything except you wait, or you can contact the service provider and tell them that you are feeling the problem, and they will let you know that what has gone wrong. So they would need to know what is your screen saying, in what error, and then it is saying you that could not be initiated, right? So this is a VBA error. This is not something which you can communicate to the service provider. He won't be able to help you about this. Okay, so you and next you got to go to this, right? So this is where it has tried to connect, and this is the error which you can pass it on to the service provider and tell them that you are getting this error. So no route to host. You want to see the details, etc. You can go to the details as well and pass it on to the service provider, right? Normally when we say that, so they say yes, the system is down, and allow some time and already working on it. Something like this will come from the service provider part. So mm, so we have started our this session started with the problem area, that if such thing happens, don't be panic. All you need to do is take the screenshot and report it to, but you have to take the right screenshot, not the screenshot which is your provider won't be able to help you with these codings and this visual basic errors, right? So you have to end it, and you have to get back to the SAP logon, try to log on it, then an error would come. That error has to be, say, reported to the service provider, and let them come up with you with what are the details, and when will it be resolved. So this is what we wanted to know what to do. We want to share it to you. This is a frequently experienced problem, especially in our part of the world where we are living. When the server downtime is not treated so seriously, otherwise in some other parts of the world, it's a huge thing, and it is people may claim and the damages for unavailability of the service and etc. But in most of the countries, third world current countries, so where the legal rights are not much in place for the citizens, so all they have to do is they have to be patient and wait for the things to get better, and then start for the time, right? And then start your working, so it will resolve, and that's all you want to do. You have to do. You can do. Otherwise, you have no way to get it resolved, right? When server is not available, what can you do? Nobody can do anything for you, right? So, but you should be able to understand that what the error is saying, when where should we report it. That's it. That's all we got to do, and that's it. Okay, so we started this series of videos with the problematic area in which you may fall in you get a stock in certain problems. So don't be panic. The rule of thumb, the main rule of thumb is don't get panic, and try to get the right address which is coming from SAP GUI, right? Not the VBA error, right? So this is the error which you got to report, so that this will expedite help. This will help the service provider to expedite the issue for you, and to do it to do the needful. Okay, so this is what I can share, as long as I do not have any connectivity at the moment. Later on, we will show you how these connectivity works. So let's go to the code. So this is the startup server that signs on, that helps you sign on to the server, and in which certain credentials are written in different parts of the workbook, and and using these credentials, the system is being get connected with the server, right? So you need to have the login information, you need to have server information, certain IPs, etc. So these once done, then you can proceed to enter. Once it is working, then you can execute a T code. Executing a T code is a separate routine here. You can go to the assign macro, edit. So the all the possible T codes have been coded in here. If you see, if the my T code is none, then what to do? And these all of them. If the my T code, if the T code which you wanted to do is this, okay. So this is a financial report, FI report. So that is going to be executed, and so on. And these are the other T codes which are being used. Okay, this is COP4. These all are the codes, and in this code you will be able to distinguish between the SAP GUI scripting. This is the beauty of the VBA, that it takes as is the SAP GUI thing, and most of the coding is obtained. You are saved. Your time of coding is saved. All you need to do is uh, uh, just fine tune your code which you have obtained from the SAP GUI scripting, the scripts, and just change it. This is the thing which we change, right? That take this information from the sheet start and the J4. Right? Whatever is coming on the J4, so that is going to be you. Similarly, so this is a fun writing code, and you will enjoy it. These are CR T codes like CR07, CR60, CR06, CR05, VA05. VA. This is the SD code for the order processing, yes. And SQVI is a which helps you run your customized query, which you say that fork is your query, and you have implemented it, you have developed it, and its name is written in it, so it is going to execute it, and then it will go to the command prompt to download the result into the Excel and do the. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's close the session and try again logging in. This time it should log on smoothly, right? Since the server is now back on now, and it's available, and now it is signing in automatically, right? Should be able to log on directly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is done automatically, and once you have logged on, then you can execute any module like this. You can choose your module, for example, SD, and you choose the sale order reports, right? And then you can execute any variant if you have, or you can just execute it. So it is going to take you to, it will execute the desired T code and run the report and fill in all the required things, and it is making a list of available variants, and so that in your next attempt you can choose a different layout, a different variant, etc. So this is a time-saving tool which we will be explaining you how to develop it and how to run it. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.